1/2 of 61. First translate this. Instead of you can place a multiplication sign. So this is fraction, this is whole number. So how to multiply a fraction by a whole number? Just convert this whole number into fraction, considering 1 as a denominator. Now multiply this fraction with this fraction. So multiply top number together, then bottom number together. 1 times 61 and 2 times 1. So 1 times 61 means 61. 2 times 1 means 2. Now divide this 61 by 2. 2 goes into 6. 3 times 2, 6. Subtract 0, bring down this 1. 2 goes into 1, 0 times. 0 times 2, 0. Subtract 1. So this will be our remainder. So this will be our whole number part. This will be our numerator. And this will be our denominator. This is a improper fraction, so we need to convert this improper fraction into mixed number, whole number part and fractional part. This is the answer.